What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. So today I'm actually taking off my headlights, as you guys can see, because we're gonna replace them. No, I'm just kidding. So I don't know if you guys can really tell, but my car's not a garage queen. My car, it doesn't even stay in the driveway most of the time. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but the top, mainly the top of the headlight, it's kind of yellowing. You can see the side looks a little like it doesn't look that good anymore. They were looking really good when I first got the car. It kind of, I guess in a way I'm kind of disappointed. Not really in myself or anything, just like disappointed in the fact that they're yellowing. So I do want to get them redone. I would like to eventually get the whole lenses replaced with brand new lenses, but I don't have the money right now, nor the time or anything to do that. So what I'm going to do for now is actually try to restore them. So my brother's actually going to help me out, but we're going to go ahead and sand the headlight and then compound it and everything, try to get it looking as new as possible. And then the reason I'm taking off the headlights is because to seal them I do want to use a ceramic coating. And I think when you ceramic coat, you have to keep it, like, let's say for example you ceramic coat the whole car, you have to keep it garaged at least for 24 hours. So I just want to do it right. So I thought might as well just take off the headlight. It'll be easier to sand it and compound it that way anyways. So yeah, it's not that hard. I gotta take off the bumper and then I just take off the headlights. So yeah, without further ado guys, let me throw you guys in a little time lapse real quick, and let's take off the headlights.
It's the end of the world, Illuminati is coming. Gather the boys and girls and watches it all unfurls. They clutching at all their pearls and no one asking for guidance. Stimulus check, won't you cash app that? I got niggas and they said that respect they play.
Alright guys, so as you can tell, both headlights are right here now. And I don't think you can really tell on camera too much, but they're a little more yellow in person, or oxidated in person than they are on the camera. But you can see over here. Yeah, let me just get straight into it. We're gonna go ahead and wet sand it, and then after we're gonna compound it. And then I did order a ceramic coating from Amazon that should be coming in today. I was gonna order the really like good one that everybody uses, but it took like a week to come in, so I just got a cheap one that had pretty good reviews. So that's what we're gonna use. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get straight into it.
It feels pretty smooth, but up here
it still feels smooth, but it just
you can hear it though. Like go right here where
it's a different type of smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, he's
you're not supposed to put any of that. Okay, and then once we're done sanding them and they're dry, they're all supposed to be one shade of of oxidated.
Yeah. All right.
Just spray your thing, and then put this bitch on here, and then spray your pad. Spray your thing,
yes.
Like that.
Sand away.
Pretty much. So sand, and then as you're sanding, you're gonna see like some milk type of thing, right? And then after a little bit, like this, right? And then after a little bit, go ahead and wet it some more, so that way like everything that you're sanding down gets like filtered with the water.
All right, say less. All right guys, so as you can tell, we're gonna start sanding. My brother's doing one headlight, I'm doing the other headlight to make it a little bit quicker, and he's kind of teaching me because I've never done this before. So yeah, here goes nothing. I'm probably gonna time lapse this.
That's why we sitting on the wrong track, back to the long track. And it's okay to be rich. My mama always told me I was destined for greatness, but my mama also, she told me take care of the kids and everybody around the world that can't fight for it. So it's a Hakuna Matata, beast on the water, pray to provider, please don't divide us, keep that and try to.
Alright guys, so as you can tell, we just sanded both headlights. So the camera did cut off because I ran out of battery, but you guys can see now, instead of it just looking oxidated from the top, it kind of just looks like an even coat of oxidation, which is the sanding, the scratches and stuff. So right now my brother's gonna go ahead and compound it. I'll record him compounding. I don't know how to compound, and we'll see how it looks. And yeah, so let's go ahead and do the first headlight.
Ready?
Let's see what happens. Scary. Alright guys, so this is going to be the final look of the headlight after the sanding, the wet sanding, and the compound. As you guys can see, it looks a lot more clear. It looks all like one level. No, I'm just kidding. This is how it looks now. Damn, that makes a way bigger difference. This is how it looks now. You can see it looks really clear. And me and my brother were saying that this piece, I mean, it looks a little bit more clear than it did before we sanded it. But this piece kind of just looked like one whole piece. Instead of over here where you can see like the top piece and then you can see the actual line of the eyebrow. Yeah, I think I made a big difference. You guys can be the judges. But yeah, it looks way more clear and just way more nice. And honestly, it's relatively easy to get it like this. But the hard part is to actually maintain it like this. So I'm hoping the ceramic coating will actually help to maintain it like this and not get all oxidated again. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do the other one real quick. And then we're not going to put them on the car yet. We're going to wait till the ceramic coating gets here. We're going to show you guys how we put it on. And then, yeah, we're going to wait until tomorrow, unfortunately, to put them back on the car. So we're going to have to leave the car sitting for a whole day. But it's going to be totally worth it. I'm like super happy with the outcome. Alright guys, so as you can tell, both headlights are now done. They came out really nice. Way better than they were before. You can actually see how clear they are now. And yeah, super happy with the way they came out. Now all we have to do is just wait till the ceramic coating comes in and then go ahead and show you guys how we put that on. Again, we're not professionals at any of this. We just we're down to do it, I guess. A lot of people aren't really down to do it. They're kind of afraid that they might mess it up. But yeah, we just kind of go for it. You know, we can save some money on it. Might as well just do it. So yeah, we're going to show you guys how we put the ceramic coating once it comes in. And then tomorrow, after the 24 hours, we'll go ahead and put it back in the car. And yeah, looks kind of cool. Right here how it is, with no bumper headlights. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys as soon as we get the ceramic coating. Alright guys, so here we got the actual ceramic coating that I got from Amazon. Like I said, this is a kind of cheap one, but it had really good reviews. And the only reason I didn't get the good one was because it took like a week to come in and I'm kind of impatient, so I just ended up going with this one. Let me go ahead and open it real quick so you guys can see. It comes with the actual ceramic coating. Comes with a little block. I think this is to help apply it. And then I've never done this before guys. I've seen videos and stuff, so I'm just going based off of that and the instructions that come in here. Comes with a cloth. I believe this is to buff it off once you apply it. And then it comes with the actual, oh, these are gloves. It comes with gloves. And then it comes with cloth. This is what you actually use to apply it onto the panels, the car, the headlights, whatever you're gonna put it on. This is what you use to actually apply it. You use this with the block and this to apply it. Gloves for safety purposes, I believe. And then this is to buff it off. So yeah, let me go ahead and set everything up real quick. Let me go ahead and do a little bit more research on how to exactly apply the ceramic coating, and then we'll get straight into it. So 1 second guys. Alright guys, so we have everything ready. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean the headlight off one more time with a clean towel, just to get anything else off that shouldn't be there. And we're gonna go straight into the ceramic coating. So I was reading the instructions and stuff. It comes with like a little cloth and a little block. You're supposed to wrap the cloth around the block. And then I have the ceramic coating right here. And then just go ahead and put it all over. It says to go vertical. It says to go in straight lines, first vertically and then horizontally. So that's what we're about to do. And yeah, here goes nothing. Ooh, here goes nothing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, who cares, bro? Just fill it up. Alright. Alright, here goes nothing. It's pretty cool. Hopefully it's actually getting in. Can you see lines going up and down or no?
Oh yeah,
You can?
I think so. Yeah. Go the other way now? Yeah, you can.
So it's on there.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so it says that once you put it on there, it says to get a microfiber cloth, which they give you as well in the package, and buff it off right away. I know people wait 30 seconds to a minute, but I'm gonna just go ahead and do what the instructions say, so here goes nothing. It also says to buff it out in circular motions. So that's what I'm gonna do. And hopefully this protects the headlight so we don't get any more yellowing again. Nice. That's pretty much it, guys. It's officially salmon coated.
They actually from over here.
Let me go ahead and do the second headlight, and then that's pretty much, I'm gonna end it right here. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I do put the headlights back on, and I'll show you guys the final look of how it looks on the car and everything. So yeah, guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is the ceramic coated one. I just right now ceramic coated it and put it down. And then this is the other one. I don't know if there's really any difference in like depth or clarity or anything. I do want to say it honestly, it looks a little bit more clear and kind of like glossy-ish, I guess, than this one. But again, it could just be the way we sanded and compounded it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the ceramic coating on this one and see if I get the same like effect. But this one looks very, 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 very clear, and there's like very minor scratches on there. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with the way this one came out. We'll see how the other one looks right now, but yeah, just want to give you guys a little look of the ceramic coated one versus the non-ceramic coated one, even though they both look really, really, really good. I'm super excited to put them back on the car. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow when we do put them on. Alright guys, it's now been around like 19 or 20 hours since we did the ceramic coating on the headlights, but I do have somewhere to be later and I need the car, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put them on right now. I'm gonna try not to touch the actual lenses as much, but I'm pretty sure it's already cured. Everything should be fine. I know it did say not to get contact to water in at least 7 days. Let me know down below if you guys think that's a little too long, or if you think I should wait the 7 days, or how many days you guys think I should wait. But the instructions on this ceramic coating says at least 7 days for best results. So yeah guys, without further ado, let me go ahead and put everything back on. Alright guys, check it out. This is the final look of the headlights. They came out so good. Damn, you can actually see through the headlight perfectly fine now. You can actually see like more in detail, like the black parts inside. Definitely 100% you can see the eyebrow more, and the actual strip, instead of before it kind of just looked like all one piece, kind of like the regular F10 headlights, but now you can actually tell like every little piece of part inside the headlight, and it looks super nice. It looks way more see-through, way more transparent, way more clear, just super nice. I'm super excited with the way they came out, super hyped. It was just a nice little detail that just made a huge difference, guys. Honestly, I felt like it wasn't as bright as it was when I first got the car, and I couldn't tell if it was getting like dimmer or if it was the oxidation or what it was, but I'm really excited to see it now later at night, how it looks. It was still super bright on the camera, but in person it was not as bright. So, but yeah, I'm super excited to see how that looks. You guys can see the car is coming along nicely. The headlights made a huge difference, guys. Honestly, it was a difference between like a used old car and like a new car. You guys may think I'm exaggerating, but that's honestly the way it feels. Obviously I never thought my car was old and used, whatever, but that's just the way the headlights kind of made it look, to be honest. But now it made a huge difference, and yeah, the car is coming along nicely. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I can't wash the car now for a week, unfortunately. The headlights can't touch water. Again, let me know if you guys think that's a little too long, or if I should wait the 7 days. But yeah, anyways guys, I hope you guys did like today's video. Hopefully you guys learned something from it. I'm gonna leave the links to everything we used in the description below. Again, you guys can use whatever things you guys want to use. If your lights are way more oxidated than what mine were, you can use a lower grit sandpaper, for example like a 1500, and then go up to like a 2000, and then like 3000. We went straight just 3000 because they weren't too bad, and yeah, I'm really happy with the way they came out. But yeah, everything we use will be in the description below, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If I look any different, it's because I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys. I think I did. I got a haircut yesterday after we started the whole process. So anyways guys, yeah, let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you guys want to see next. And without further ado, once again, I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Also guys, real quick, huge thank you to my brother for helping me with this. I probably wouldn't have done it for myself. I'm gonna leave his YouTube channel and the link in the description. It's gonna be the first link on top of the description. Please go check him out. He does all types of content: 550, 335, 535, M3, everything. Super cool content, so please go check him out, guys. First link on top of the description.